Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this 3008 SUV in the Allure specification. Now this has Peugeot's iCockpit, which gives you the smaller steering wheel, a customisable 12-inch digital head-up display, as well as the touchscreen in the centre console. Now here you get DAB digital radio, as well as Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You've got 3D connected navigation. This car also has blind spot detection, speed limit recognition, 180-degree reversing camera and cruise control. So let's have a look around. So if this car is of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.